friends, Dr. Elliott here giving you a quick tip. So don't forget your ABC or your FBA data collection assignment is coming up, and we discussed the ABC chart. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on what happened right before a behavior, what was the behavior, and what happens right after the behavior, right? That ABC. We have that chart posted in our announcements and throughout our courses, and that's a quick snapshot of what we should be looking for. Also remember to check your rubrics when you're turning in assignments. So it will tell you, for example, in this rubric, you should have had at least 3 observations to be successful for this assignment. I hope that's helpful. Just remember to keep focused on the student or student-centered, focusing on the A, B, and C before, during, and after of a behavior. And you can do this. Y'all are doing a great job implementing it and making it applicable to you in your current and future classrooms. And I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work, and I am here if you have any questions. Have a blessed day, friends.